Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Awin affiliate publisher tools for US campaigns, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download Awin affiliate publisher tools for US campaigns, start by visiting the Awin website. Click on the login button if you already have an account. If you don't have an account, click on Join Awin to register. Fill in the required information to create your Awin account. Once your account is set up, log in using your credentials. After logging in, navigate to the Tools section in the main menu. Here, you will find various resources available for affiliate publishers. Select Publisher Tools from the drop-down menu. In the Publisher Tools section, you will see options for downloading different tools. Look for the specific tools relevant to US campaigns. Click on the download link for the tool you need. The tool will begin downloading to your device. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Open the file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After installation, you can access the Awin affiliate publisher tools directly. Use these tools to manage and optimize your US campaigns effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.